Good morning mga kanapbahay! Your new home awaits here and experience serene living in the north. Welcome to Siria, a premium yet affordable housing project development by Ovialand. This is located in Barangay Hinukay, Baliwag, Bulacan, a carefully master-planned flood-free community along the National Highway and complete subdivision amenities. We are offering townhouses and duplex model that are complete finished with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a car parking, and a service area. I'm currently in front of our duplex model which has a minimum lot area of 88 square meters and a floor area of 60 square meters. Tara, let's go and check this out. So dito pa lang po sa labas mismo ng ating bahay, andito na yung ating car parking area. And it can actually accommodate at least 2 cars, no? If you are to maximize yung extra space na supposedly for your service area dito. Yung service area mo ay pwede din naman po nating i-expand. Na dito sa harap ng ating bahay, kasama po ito, no, yung ating property line is dito yan. And itong area na to, pwede mo itong i-maximize na pwedeng gawing pocket garden. Ayan, so napakalaki pa po nito. Pwede ka dito maglagay ng fence, pwede kang mag-gate. So tara, pasok po tayo sa bahay. Meron na tayo ditong porch. So, kapag umuulan, protected po yung ating pinto. Hindi siya basa-basa mababasa. Although yung pinto natin matibay and resistant po siya sa basa. Now, what you see is what you will get here. Etong mga ilaw na nasa labas, kasama po yan siya sa turnover. Very safe and secured. Meron na siyang integrated na double lock dito pa lang po sa pinto. Alright? So, pasok po tayo. So, when I say complete finished turnover, naka-tiles na po lahat, no? Yung ating flooring, may mga pintura na. So, dito po yung magiging living area mo. Ayan. And napapalibutan po tayo dito ng bintana. Malalaking sliding windows. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Tatlo po yan, no, malalawak. And if you open it up, it allows for more light, natural light to come in dito sa bahay. And also, more ventilation. Ito naman po yung magiging dining area mo. Okay? So, malaki pa po yung space for the dining area. And again, ito po yung sinasabi kong meron ka pang dalawang malalaking sliding windows. Alright? And sa loob po na rin ang atin pong kitchen with sink na po yan. May countertop na po tayo na naka-tiles upon turnover. It also comes with a separate door for your service area. And you can use this to expand in the future. Okay? And, as mentioned, dalawa po yung ating toilet and bath. Ito po yung una dito sa baba. Complete fixtures po tayo, no? So may telephone head shower. Ayan, may lavatory, toilet and bowl, and may saksakan na rin po for heater. And this is also well ventilated kasi meron na po siyang ventilation dyan. This door will lead us to the service area. Ito yung pwede mong gawing laundry area. So meron ka ng saksakan dito for your appliances, no, for the washing machine. Meron na rin po siyang nakaabang for the source of water. And ang kagandahan pa po dito, meron siyang privacy wall. So if ever you wanted to extend, no, pwede pa naman po in the future. So very, very private. Alright? So akyat tayo dito. Okay? As for our stairs, metal na po yung railings. Ganda ng design. So dito sa pag-akyat natin sa second floor, slab na po yung ating second floor, no? And andito po yung ating 3 bedrooms plus another toilet and bath. So, punta po tayo dito. Ayan. This is our first bedroom. So, as you can see, again, hindi po tinipid yung bintana. Sliding windows, napakalaki. And it comes with butas for an air conditioning system. Meron na rin po yan nakaabang na saksakan. Okay? So, again, naka-tiles na po dito lahat. May kisame-nap, nakapintura, and another toilet and bath here, which is also complete, no? And yung tiles natin is from bottom to top, no? So, telephone head shower, may saksakan for the heater, toilet and bowl, lavatory, and a ventilation as well is provided. Alright? Then comes the second bedroom. Okay, for the second bedroom, similar features na nakita natin dun sa una. Okay, malalaki yung slide windows, tapos butas for the air conditioning system. Ang daming saksakan, hindi siya tinipid. Okay, and let's go to the master bedroom. Okay, for the master bedroom, ganun din. Okay, this time, malaki po yung ating pong bintana dito. Okay, sliding pa rin po yung windows. May isa, dalawa, additional ventilation as well. Now, let's go to the last feature of this house. This one is our mini balcony, which allows you to enjoy, having coffee in the morning or kung ano yung gusto mong gawin dito. Now, that's it for our house tour dito sa Seria. And if you want to know more of this project, our contact numbers are down below. Or you may also directly message her page. This is Jerson, your millennial investor. Welcome to Seria, Bulacan.